everyone, welcome back to My Diamond Addiction. This is Valerie and Taylor, and this is the final video in the Huge New Frog Package 1 order video series. Yep, this is video 6. Six. However, it's 6.
Well, it's 6 like this.
Yeah. So, Taylor, which one do you want to open first?
This one.
All right, open it up. Yeah, let me just go ahead and cut that, and then you can open it. How's that?
Good.
Okay, now open it. Each one of these paintings, average price of each painting in this order was 75 cents. If this is the first video you're watching, that may confuse you. I will link up there the first video in the series, and it will explain a little bit better about how I got these all at 75 cents each. So this I call the Blushing Snow Lady. Look how pretty she is.
I like pillow cheeks.
Right? So this is a 30 by 40. It will go in my to be done by this coming up Christmas. Can you believe it's almost the end of January already? That is just crazy. Okay, so
For me, I want to ride the jet skis.
you want to ride the jet skis? A couple more months, huh? Okay, so this has 20 colors. It looks like no DMC codes with this one at all. Bummer.
Right there.
No, those aren't DMC codes. There is the symbol list. Go ahead and grab the toolkit. You can show it next. There is the symbol list. So the symbols look good. There's the drill field. I think you might actually be able to see that a little bit. I'm kind of impressed by that. Okay, I get impressed by small things lately.
Here's a toolkit. It has the wax, the boat, and the pen.
Good job. Toss it over where they go.
Oh, and over the bags. I just found it.
Oh, yep. That one included some little cheap baggies. Okay, so let's open this up and look at the, how many colors did I say there was?
30.
Nope.
I forgot.
Look at the number. 20, that's right. Alright, so a quick look at the drills here. Again, these don't have DMC codes, so I can't tell you what code it is.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Did you just fall over?
Yeah. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
I really like color 13. That's pretty. Okay. That's 15.
15,
There you go.
16, 17. I love 18,
You love 18?
18. I love 19 and 20.
Alright, so all 20 colors
And I
are
love
here.
this one.
All 20 colors are here.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
So we'll put those back in there. The canvas, you can tell by looking at it, was folded. It will definitely need ironing.
Here are the labels.
Those are the symbols. And you gotta turn it this way. There you go. Okay, thank you, Taylor.
You're welcome.
I'm hoping this comes out a little bit brighter than the symbols look, because I know you can't really judge them by that. So altogether, I think this is a really pretty picture. Are you going to stick your finger on the glue?
Yeah.
Okay, do it. Yep, it's definitely sticky enough. I just had to chase down my canvas.
The canvas when it's running on the wall.
No, it was running away on your finger. Okay, so this is a full round 30 by 40 blushing snowman. What are you waiting for an hour for? Oh, because you quit playing Minecraft and you had to wait for an hour, huh? No, I don't think it has. Okay, so back to the video. Full coverage, round, 30 by 40. I really think that's going to be a beautiful picture. Diamonds are all here. So let's go ahead and go over the unboxing score of this one. Some of these will count for both this one and the next one that we're going to unbox, and I'll explain that as we do it. The accuracy of description, yes, I saw the picture of exactly this, so I knew what it was going to look like. It was easy to understand, it was clear, it was correct, so it will get a point for that. Processing time, both of these will get the point for that. Because I ordered 60, I think it's 68 paintings. It shipped, they all shipped within, I think the last one was 7 days, and it was just one single canvas. But they all shipped within 5 days, and for 68 paintings to be put into 4 packages for shipping and sent out, I'm good with that. The outside packaging, they will both get the point for that because it was sent in a bag like this. So if it got, yes, in the same bag. If it would have gotten wet, whatever, this would have protected it. They will both get the point for the inside packaging because they came with a second layer of protection from the elements. So they will get both get the point for that. This toolkit, yes, it had everything in it, plus some baggies. There's the drills, there's the canvas. So complete set was included, so they'll get the point for that. This one will. The canvas condition, it's a decent canvas. There's no bubbles, there's no hard creases, no wrinkles. So they'll get the point. It'll get the point for the canvas condition. The glue is flat on there. It is sticky. It is not bubbled. No rivers, no anything. I won't have to do any kind of surgery on the glue. The drill condition, they are all there. They're lacking DMC codes, which makes me want to cry just a little bit. But I'll get over it. It's really not that big of a deal. I was just being melodramatic there for a minute. There's no trash, no nubs. They look good. They're packaged fine. They're all together. So they'll get the point. It'll get the point for the drill condition. The symbols being clear and easy to read. Yeah, they'll be fine. They did pretty good about putting light symbols on dark backgrounds and dark symbols on light backgrounds. The only one that's not is whatever this one, the Z. And I don't even see any of them right now, so I don't even know where that's at. Oh, they're right here. Yeah, no, it's not a problem. They can go ahead and have a point for the symbols. Overall, how impressed am I? Yeah, I'm impressed. I like it. I think she's going to turn out great. I think she's going to look good with my other snowman.
What's a boy? One's a girl.
Yeah, this one's a girl, huh?
And the other one's a boy.
Okay, so Blushing Snow Lady looks like this. She had 20 colors. And her unboxing was 10 out of 10. Go ahead, T. This one is going to be a purple rose. I know because it's the only one left that was tracked in this package. So it is a 30 by 30 partial round beautiful purple rose. Here, I'll cut the top and then you can open it.
No. I got it.
Good job.
That's how it's right?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, bubble.
Okay, so let's open this beautiful purple rose. Well, that is interesting. So these look like they're going to be very blue, which, okay, I love blue, so it should work out fine. But here's the picture. I do not understand how that translates to that, but it's gorgeous. I will take it. So this is 8 colors. It does have the DMC codes on there. The toolkit is the normal New Frog toolkit. Wax, pen, boat.
Now I feel on my nose.
You're okay. All right, so
I love all the colors.
color 1 is 154. Color 2 is 550. This is one of my favorite purples. I love it.
Yeah.
This one. Color 3 is 553. 4 is 554. 5, see, this is the blue, is 747. And there's the other blue. It's a teal. It's really, really pretty. Is 806. And then 807. And number 8, what was that? Oh, no, it's just a little piece of plastic. Okay. Number 8 is 3837. So all 8 colors are here. And there's the canvas again. No hard creases in the back. These are just from being folded. I could put them in my portfolio and let them slowly straighten. I'm too impatient for that. I will iron them all first, put them in the portfolio to keep them straight. Okay, unboxing score. Are we ready? Are you ready? Okay. Accuracy of description, easy to understand, clear and correct. Yes, I knew what the picture was. No, I don't remember it looking like it was going to be blue through here. I mean, even the thumbnail doesn't look like it should be blue. But okay. I did know it was a partial round. I did know it was a 30 by 30. I'll go ahead and let him have the point for that. Okay, so if I was being honest, if this would have come any other color than this bright, beautiful blue, I probably would not have been happy with that. But because it's the bright, beautiful blue that's going to go so great with the purples, I'm okay with it. I'm going to go ahead and take a half a point off. Just because if it would have been some other color, I would have been taking points off for it. So, they have a half a point. The processing time we've already discussed. They get the point for that. The outside packaging, they get the point for that. The inside packaging we discussed with the other one. They get the point for that. It did come with a toolkit, the drills, and the canvas, so they get a point for that. The canvas is fine. There's no hard creases. It's not a super cheap, flimsy canvas. It is not Diamond Art Club quality, but I've seen worse than this, so they can have the point for the canvas. The glue condition. Put your feet down. Yep, it's plenty sticky. It's flat. There's no rivers, no bubbles, no creases in it, so they can have a point for the glue condition. The drill condition, they're all there. They're packaged. They do have DMC codes on them. So there's no trash, no nubs. They look like they're plenty sparkly. They have plenty of cuts on them. So they can have the point for the drill condition. The symbols are fine. They look great. I can see them. There is the symbols right there. Oh gosh, I touched it, but that was not okay. Okay, it's not going to focus. It's being absolutely ridiculous right now. There we go. There's the symbols. There's the drill field. So yeah, it looks fine. I could probably do this one without the light pad. The 1s and 2s actually blend in pretty closely. I am going to go ahead and take a half a point off for that. They could have used
different color.
I don't know, they could have done something to distinguish those. Overall, am I impressed? I actually think that's going to turn out beautiful, even with the different colors in it than I thought it was going to be. So, Purple Rose has 8 colors. And final unboxing score for this canvas is a 9. 9 out of 10.
Why a 9?
Because we took a half a point off for the accuracy of description and a half a point off for the symbols. Yeah, so they got 9 out of 10. All right, so again, for $1.50, we got that and the Blushing Snow Lady for $1.50. Yep, I'm still happy. Thanks again, New Frog. All right, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. We thank you all for watching and subscribing. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up because Taylor says so. And again, thanks for all your support. We will see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.